हे संस्थेत शिकपी विद्यार्थ्यांनी ज्या ज्या फाट्यांत ते शिकतात तातूंत कुशळटाय मेळोवन त्या क्षेत्रांत उल्लेख करी सारकी कामगिरी करूंक जाय अशें उपसभापती मायकल लोबो हांणी ह्या वेळार उलयतना म्हळें.
We have science students over here. You all have to think that I will one day be the specialist in this field in medicine. I will be a doctor. I will get all the degrees which are required to bring a solution to this some sort of diseases, some sort of things which come in our body which has no treatment, and you are stranded on a wheelchair or a bed. You can't be active, you cannot move around. So this is a question mark before us. I'm just giving you an example. Like, you have to think so big. If you think so big, I think all the problems which are there in this world, the solutions can come. And solutions can come only if you work towards it.
ह्या वेळार विद्यार्थ्यांनी दाखयिल्ल्या शिस्तीची तुस्त करून गोंयांतल्या वैजकी क्षेत्राची नियाळणी करत जाल्यार आयज जे जायते दोतोर आसात तातल्या बऱ्याचशा जाणांनी झेवियरांतल्यान शिक्षण घेतलां म्हणपाचें दिसून येता अशें सांगून ताचे वयल्यान हांगा मेळटल्या शिक्षणाचो दर्जो दिसून येता अशें होन्नेकेरी हांणी सांगलें.
When you look back, 44 years completed. That is the journey with the Xavier Institute hand. When I hear Xavier Institute, especially in the field of medicine, if you look or you can take a cross section of the entire Goa, the maximum students who have passed out and who are the doctors, they are from the Xavier Institute. And it's a great achievement. So that speaks about the quality of, similarly you will find many engineers. But not only that, there are sportsmen, there are artists, there are so many students who have excelled in these institutions, and they have spread, they're working in the field of different field and exhibiting their talents.
ह्या वेळार प्रावीण्य मेळयिल्ल्या विद्यार्थ्यांक मानेस्ताच्या हस्तुकीं इनामां भेटयलीं. निमणे विद्यार्थ्यांनी सांस्कृतीक कार्यावळी सादर केल्यो. ही आसा तांची एक झळक.
बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए, ओ जान तमन्ना किधर जा रही हो, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए, जरा पास आओ तो चैन आ जाए.
प्रायमा खातीर चलचित्र पत्रकार रेणुका ताळगांवकार, म्हापशें.